Hi, Mr. Simmons here, and I'm going to just show you a couple of tips and tricks for using Kerboodle because some people are struggling with it. So I'm just opening here the science homepage, which is on SharePoint, and I've put the link to the Kerboodle website on the science homepage, so you can just go straight in using that. Log yourself in, my details are already on there. So to go to the digital textbook, you click on your GCSE AQA Sciences 9 to 1, click on Digital Book, find the textbook for the subject that you want. Now if we're doing physics, then you've got two options here. You've got the trilogy and you've got the standard physics. Now although many of you are studying the trilogy course, actually the textbooks that are in all our classrooms and the ones that we set all the work from are the standard physics one, which includes all the content for trilogy, which is the combined science or double science if you like, and all of the content for triple scientists as well. So this is the one that we always go to. So to find the right page that you want, then you go on this little icon down the bottom here, and you can see that that pops up as table of contents. And then, so say for example I want topic 8.3, I just scroll down here and I find it, click on it, and it opens that topic. Okay, I can use one page view or I can use 2-page view. I can zoom in and out using the controls at the bottom here. If I want to access other resources on here, then all I need to do is down the bottom left here is a tab for linked resources. So sometimes when we set things like an interactive task, if I send a link out to you, some of you sometimes send me back an email saying, oh, the link to the interactive doesn't work. Well, if that's the case, what you can do, once you've opened the digital book on the right page, you click on this resources tab down here, and it will pop up a little index like this. Now you can see teacher things on here as well, which won't be visible when you open it, but that's just because I'm logged in as a teacher. But you can see there are the activity sheets. Now these are the Kerboodle worksheets that we set you. So again, if you're having trouble downloading a link from Insight or from the document that's been emailed to you, you can go in and find the work on here. And down the bottom here is, you can see interactive resultant force. If I click on that, that opens the interactive for this topic. Okay, so hopefully that's helped you with a few ideas of getting into Kerboodle. And remember as well, we can always reset your password for you if you need that done. And the institution code, which people always seem to forget or get confused, is just LC6. Okay, hope that helps. Cheerio.